In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set and manage variables in n8n, an incredibly versatile workflow automation tool. Managing variables effectively is key to optimizing your workflow processes, and today, we'll focus on one of the most straightforward methods, using the edit fields or set node for workflow-specific variables. Let's imagine you're working within a single workflow, and you need to share data across various nodes. This is where workflow-specific variables come into play. The edit fields, also known as the set node, is a convenient tool designed for this purpose. To address this, first add an edit fields or set node to your workflow. If you're new to n8n, this node is found in the nodes list, which can be accessed on the left side of your workflow designer. Once you've added the node, click to open its settings. Here, you'll see fields where you can define new variables and specify their values. It might seem a bit technical at first, but think of these fields as containers. Each container holds a piece of information you might need later in your workflow. Naming your variables clearly is a good practice. For example, if you're storing a user's email, you might name the variable user email. This helps not only in keeping track of your data, but also in maintaining clarity whenever you revisit the workflow. After you've established these variables, they can be easily accessed by subsequent nodes in the workflow. This is done using expressions. Here, expressions work as placeholders or references to the data you've already defined. For example, if you've set a variable called myVariable, you can access this data in other nodes by typing the expression $json myVariable. This notation pulls the data from the container you've set earlier and makes it available wherever necessary. This method is especially beneficial when it comes to collecting and storing data that needs to be shared and reused across different nodes within the same workflow. By defining variables centrally in one node, you avoid redundancy, making future modifications and updates significantly simpler. Essentially, any change you make to your variable's value is automatically reflected in every node where that variable is referenced. This ensures consistency and accuracy across your workflow without the need for repetitive updates. As we wrap up, keep in mind that a well-organized workflow is a productive one. The edit fields or set node is a vital part of ensuring your workflow runs smoothly, as it provides an effective way to manage and control data flow. Mastering how to assign and utilize these variables can significantly enhance your automation processes and make managing your workflows in n8n more efficient. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your n8n experience and keep exploring the many ways you can automate your tasks seamlessly.